welcome back to my channel. It's NatalieGisselle if you didn't know already. And for this week's video, it has been requested by some people. And it's a clean with me room edition. I'm a little embarrassed about this one because, see, it's a mess, but it's also like a neat mess. Like I know where things are. Some things I have nowhere to put, so they're just kind of in the corner. I'm just gonna show you guys everything. We're just gonna clean my room. I'm gonna like show you guys a little walkthrough, and then we'll just clean, and then I'll tell you guys like my thought process while I'm cleaning. It's not pretty. So over here is my bed. I have some papers I gotta put away. My charger. Okay, and then see, I have some school paperwork there. And receipts because I take pictures of them to get some like money back, you know. And so like that's kind of like my computer where I do it, like if I gotta work on something and I want to be in my bed. My pillow, before anybody says why is it so flat, I cannot sleep with a thicker pillow. It like hurts my neck and my back sometimes. I need a flat one. I gotta find another one at least a little more cushiony. Yeah, my PJs, I just this is what I do. I take them off and I put them there. My sandals sometimes with my shoes. Bag, I just got it. Let me close this. I just got it like the other day. See, like this, some of my, see, okay, we can do another video of my drawers, cleaning them. And then I have like a, like this, I'm gonna post it. So it's, what is it called? Dusty. Some shells I got for my birthday. I have no idea if this is a real one or not because it has a hole. But a lot of my other shells have holes also that I got at the beach. So I don't know. My AirPod case, old AirPod case, earrings that I put, necklace. Birthday bags. Let me close that. Birthday bags because I hold them. This right here. I got clothes recently from a family member. And I tried them on and kind of just laid them there. So we'll fix that. This, I mean, it's kind of clean, but it's also really dusty. Now this is the corner I was talking about where I don't have, like, I don't know where to put the stuff. So like that box, I can probably bring it down and use it for something, or maybe not. I don't know, it has a label on it. This is like decor that I was gonna show in the vlog. I haven't posted the vlog, but I'll try and get that up by like this week or next week on my vlog channel. And then here's more like decor, but like, see, I sometimes buy things thinking, oh, for my future house, because I want to build one or like try and get one, you know. So I buy things like this thing for Easter, you know. And then I have bags back there, and in there I have like seashells and rocks and stuff, like decor for my succulents. Then I don't know if I said, but that's for my change. Like I have like quarters, nickels, dimes, dollars, whatever in there. Then here in this one I have pennies. This is, okay, I'm gonna be a teacher, elementary teacher. And so I've already bought some books for like the reading corner. Oh, I cannot wait. My laser thing, I can probably put it away. That's another video I'm planning. I bought a photo album thing a while ago at Ross, like maybe a year ago or more, longer than that. And I kind of just want to make it like a memory book in a way, so because it has pockets, so I can just put things in there. I can probably get like a sticky note or something and write on it like what it is and stuff. But I kind of just have everything in the bag, so maybe that can be another video where it's just like things I've put in that bag and want to put in that memory photo album. Because that would be pretty cool, like to have memories of like, oh, I did this at this time and that at that time. Just things like that. So we're just gonna go through that. That though, my drawer, I will not be showing that. That can probably be another video too. But it's like all my clothes and other things I just started shoving in there. So we can go through that too. But let's start with the bed, because apparently people like when I throw my pillows down. I need my stand. So let's go with that. Okay, we're gonna start with my bed. I'm gonna move this to the chair. I'm gonna put this down there. Just because this one is thin, I leave it on the bed. And I just go back and forth. So I know in like another video, or when I did my haul of like online shopping, I would change the comforter, the blanket. I have not, just because I haven't gotten any pillows that would I mean, this could match like the pink and the gray, because I have a like a marbled blanket also instead of the pink one I normally put. But I think I want like a upgrade on pillows and stuff, maybe something else I could probably use. I gotta figure that out. So there's my bed. Let's go with, yeah, okay. I'm gonna put my shoes away. Okay, so I'm just gonna put these in my closet, but because that's a whole other thing, I'm not gonna show my closet. My shoes are kind of just thrown in there because I normally only wear my Converse or my Vans, and that's like if I'm in PJs, then I just wear that. So I'm gonna put those away, and then we'll move on to, we'll do the chair next. We'll start off with my shirt. I'll just fold it, because I iron my shirts anyway, just because they get wrinkled. So, my pajamas. I think it's a mess, but it's also like, just because I have a bunch of like bags and things over there, maybe that's why it seems even more bigger of a mess than it is. But I mean, everything has its place. I don't know. I don't know if I'm trying to justify it or what. This one can get hanged, so I'll put that over there. Can this one hang it? I can hang this one. Then that. And then I could hang this one too. And I got jewelry in here that I haven't taken out of the bag. My jeans, I don't put laundry away right away, so put it there. This is my perfume and lotion. I'll leave that out here. See. Oh, I've been looking for this. I'm gonna change my wallet today. I'll do that. My 2 bags. Okay, so we'll put my jeans away first. And then, see, the bottom drawer that I have down there is kind of just bags and like decor and boxes of things. So we can put the bag away. See, I like the bag, but I'm not sure if it's like cute. Like, I mean, I don't know. Like, does it match? Is it my thing? Is it too big? I'm so picky. I don't wear a lot of bags either. I kind of just have one black one or 2 black ones that I always use. just because black goes with everything. I mean, this can too. I'll just hold on to it. So it's like, see, it's like neat up here and like up there, but you go down and it's like everything's just like a mess down there. I need some like shelves because I kind of just shove everything in. So I need like some shelves up in there. Wait, this is sweaters. Okay. Oh, this is the blanket I was talking about. It's like marble. So. See, I normally don't wear this type of shirt just because I don't like how I look in them. But if I wear, I was thinking because of the color it is, if I wear a black shirt with like a gold necklace, like a longish necklace, that would be cute. Could probably, wear it. And I could put this one here. So I have a bag in here also of things I sell. So I'm just gonna put the makeup in there. These are my bags. I mainly only use this one, but it's kind of old, so I don't use it a lot. I've probably used the brown one like twice, and I haven't used the red one. Yeah. See, I save these tissue papers because I sell stuff online, and right now I'm currently selling succulents online, so I can use that to help wrap them up in their boxes. So see, I save things. If I buy things online, I can save it, you know? Reduce, reuse, recycle. I don't know. It's being reused. Well, this goes downstairs with me, so put that there. Okay, sorry, I gotta go put that over there. Work skeleton. This is school. Okay, so I will leave that here. This is my portable charger, so I'm gonna leave that here too. And then a backup iPhone charger in case I need it, and then my portable charger, I'll leave that here too. So we can work on this. So this is okay. This is ripped, so that's trash. I kind of just have my jewelry in here. It's also kind of just thrown in, so that would be another video. I want to keep the shells here. This is a baggie of a bracelet and a ring, so I'm gonna keep that out here so I don't forget about it. My AirPod case could probably go in a drawer. Let's go to this one. So this is like this is I'm gonna keep this one here. That's like Bye Bye Redness, and then the skin tint. These are face masks that were given. I'm gonna put it in my face mask drawer. Down here, I think probably the only thing I'm gonna move out of the way is the box, because I do reach for that bag quite a lot. So I'll just get rid of the box and the plate that I used for my stitch drawing that I also did a video on. So that's what I'm gonna move, and then I'll just probably throw like the stuff at top away, bring the box down, and push everything more in that way so it doesn't show as much. And then I can probably clean the dust off of that too, and off my counters. And then I think I'll be done. I'm gonna go do that. Look how cute this is. I couldn't say no. And these are hangers that have like the thing for plants. So if I want to put a plant in here, I got 2 of them. You know, future home decor. And this, I have no idea what I'm gonna put in here, but I really, really like it. It's so cute. So to clean my countertops, I'm gonna use these wipes. They are Kirkland disinfecting wipes. So we're gonna do that. We wanna get rid of the germs. We're gonna do that. That's it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed the cleaning video. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be, really. I was kind of just putting a bunch of stuff away. But that's my room. That's my mess. And I hope I don't let it get like that again. Probably will. But I clean it, so it's fine. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.